Alright, how's it going guys? Mr. Employee here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can still exploit on PC after the new Byfron update. So that means I'll be showing you guys the best methods and best exploits out there right now that are still working. So the first method will be using Moomoo Player right here. You can find the download link in the description, which will direct you to this website right here. And you're going to want to go ahead and download this one on the left. Not the Android X version, it will not work on that version. And once you have it installed, you can just go ahead and open it up. So I'm gonna do right here, there we go, it's starting. Now once you're in the emulator, before we do anything else, you're gonna want to go to your settings tab, and I'll show you guys how to optimize your settings for the best performance and best FPS. So in the settings tab right here, you're gonna want to go to advanced. For the graphics rendering mode, it doesn't make a difference for me, so you can either choose Vulkan or Speed Plus. And down here in the most important part, which is the performance, there's low, medium, high, and custom. You're gonna want to select custom. For the CPU part right here, it should auto detect what should be best for you. Depending on your PC, it's different for everyone. For me it's 4 for the best performance, I'm just gonna select that. Same with the memory tab right here, you can select the best performance for you. In my case it's 8, and you're going to want to enable rendering acceleration and graphics card settings right here. And after that, you're going to want to go to the interface settings, and in the resolution settings, this is important if you want to make your game look like on PC. So select custom right here and put in the width for 1920 by 1080, which is my default monitor resolution. And for the DPI, you're gonna want to put in 220 or 240. It's a preference thing. So next in the game settings right here, if you want more than 60 FPS, you're gonna want to select extra high FPS mode. And after that you're done, you can just save and close right here, and you will restart to confirm effects. Confirm, the emulator will restart just like this. Once you're back, you're gonna want to go to your browser to download the exploit, and you can just go ahead and type in the search bar codex.lol, just like that. You can find the link also in our description down below, so just click enter and you'll see this website right here. You're gonna want to click the middle button, download for Android, right there, and click it again, and it will redirect you to the Linkvertise link right here. You're gonna want to complete the offers. If you scroll down here, re-access with ads, just complete that. After you finish the Linkvertise, you're gonna be redirected to this Mediafire website right here. You're gonna want to download Codex 600 in the middle. Click on that and your download will start just like that. And if you want to find your download, you can find it on the notification bar right here on the top. So just hold, click, and drag it down here. You can see your download right here. Just gonna wait for it to download. Once the download complete, you're gonna want to click on this codex600.apk right here. Click on that. And after that, this menu will show up right here, Roblox. You're gonna want to click install right here, and there we go, app is installed. You're gonna want to click open, there we go, it will redirect you to the login page. Just log in right there, and after that you can just join any game you want. So I'm just gonna join Blade Ball real quick to show you how it works. Alright, there we go, we're in the game. If it's your first time, you're gonna wait a bit before the GUI shows up, and also for the game to show up right here, loading the textures, and there we go, just like that. This GUI will load up just like this. Before you get here, there will be a whitelist system, which is basically like a key system, and you can watch our video how to do that, link in the description, the one with this thumbnail right here. So you can drag out the UI by clicking the left side of the screen right here and drag it out to the right, just like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and find a script for a Blade Ball. I'm gonna search for Battle Hub, which is the best script for this game right now. Alright, just gonna select one of them right here and execute, and then drag the UI back out again, and click global scripts again to close out the UI, just like that. There we go, and you'll see this UI load up just like this. And you can even drag the GUI right here, right around just like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and enable auto parry. There we go. If you want to use shift lock, you can just use shift lock right here. Oh, the button is blocked by the chat, just enable that. There we go. As you can see, it will auto parry the ball just like that. It just killed someone else. Oh, and so also, by the way, you can also unlock your FPS by clicking the exploit settings right here. There we go. We have an unlock FPS feature right here. Just enable that and drag the FPS value all the way up to 999. And after that, you're gonna want to go back in the game. You can check the FPS by clicking Shift plus F5. There we go, you can see the FPS right here, it's pretty stable, like sub 50 to 60 FPS, and you can also move the camera around by holding left click or just clicking right click, and the mouse cursor will be gone and you will be locked into like a similar chef lock feature, so you can just move the camera around just like this. There you go, just kill someone. Alright, there's only one more guy left. So let's see how fast this auto parry is. There we go. Come on. Let's do it. Let's try to catch this guy off guard by using my ability right now. There we go. Just like that, we won. So this is the first method, which is Mumu player. And for the second one, alright, so for the second method, it will be LD player. This is the second best method out there right now, aside from Mumu player. You can find the download link in the description. You're gonna want to get the 9 version right here, LD player 9, instead of the 5th one. So just download that one right there. It will download the installer. Just install that. I've already done it, so once you've downloaded it, you can just go ahead and open it. There we go. We're in the emulator now. So the same as last time, you're gonna want to go to the settings first. You can find it right here on the top right. In the advanced tab, you have the resolution. You're gonna want to do the same as last time. The width 1920 and height 1080 and DPI 220 or 240. For the CPU cores, you're gonna want to select the recommended amount, which is 4 for me. And the RAM should be somewhere around 4 as well. There we go. And if you want high FPS, you're gonna want to go to the game settings and enable high frame rate right here. Confirm. And you can select however many FPS you want. For the max FPS, I'm gonna select 240. There we go. And after that, you're gonna want to save settings and restart it. Just like that. There we go. And you can install codecs the same way by going to your browser and typing in codecs.lol. Just type it in and click enter. So I'm just gonna quickly download it. Once you're done, you can just go ahead and get in the game. Alright, so for LD player, I'm just gonna join Blocks Fruits right here. Enable the fast mode to reduce lag. Same as last time, drag out the UI from the left right here and go to global scripts. I'm gonna type in blocks fruits. There we go, and enter. So I'll just select whatever one right here, ho VIP, click execute, or you can paste in your own script right here in the editor tab, which is what I'm gonna do right there. So click on that, and there we go. This UI will load up just like this. And I'm just gonna go ahead and enable auto farm level. With melee, enable that. There we go, just like that. I'm auto farming in blocks fruits update 20. Okay, I'm spazzing out. What is going on? So that's the auto farm near, I guess. Obtain bones for this auto farm is pretty quick compared to the ho up B3. Alright, well, my rage meter is up. I can probably awaken right now. Oh wait, I need to disable this first. Awakening. There we go. Awaken for race V4. What's going on here? I guess it's alright. Enable the auto farm again. There we go. So yeah, that's about it. I guess this emulator is basically like exploiting on PC. You can drag out the GUIs around. You can move your camera around. So I don't know why that other guy keeps telling you to use BlueStacks when it's so bad. He's probably like sponsored or something by them. Alright, so that's about it for this video, and I'll see y'all next time.